Hello everyone, today we will be making this practice problem 4.12 from SolidWorks. Let's go. First go to parts and sketch. So if you want this drawing, you can get it from the description below. So it is there. It will direct you to the SolidWorks website where you can find this sketch and download it, the PDF. So let's go. First, enter a rectangle, then a circle. Okay, you will give it dimension using the smart dimensioning feature 80 and 80. So, and the center circle that is going to be of 50 mm. Now this is done. So now we will use the sketch fillet and defillet to all the four corners. As you can see in the sketch, this is of 7 mm radius. Now it's this. Okay, once it's done. So what we will do next is that we will make those 4 holes at all the 4 corners. So let's provide this. Okay, first, second, then third, and then the fourth one. Okay, now this part is done. You will give dimension 6, 6, and 6. All these are of 6 mm diameter. You will find all the equipments that I am currently using in the description also. Let's go. Extrude plate. Extrude. So instead of extrude in one direction of 25 mm. So now what we'll do is that we will extrude in both direction of 12.5 mm each. Okay, so and direction 1 and direction 2, 12.5 mm. Okay, now this is done. So what we will do is that we will extrude cut in the center also, the center circle also, that we can see in the sketch of 70 mm diameter. Let's go. Go to sketch, make a circle, give it to 70. Okay, now this is done. Go to extrude cut and do it to 25 minus 8. Okay, done. Now we are on the track. So let's go. Select the front plane, go to sketch, and you're making 2 circles, one small and one large circle. As you can see in the sketch, there is one cutaway of 85 mm diameter. So we are making it, and one circle which will exceed all of this. Okay, now go to extrude cut. Now what we will do is that extrude cut in both direction of 10 and 10. So direction 1 and direction 2, 10. Okay, done. Now as you can see, our part is ready. Now what we will do is that we will be adding colors to it. So if you want to skip it, you can save it, or you can just watch the video so you can learn how to add colors to it. So let's go. We're going to use metals and then aluminum. Okay, blue. Now this is done. So if you want to go to advanced color, like we will be using the advanced colors, so go to go to the blue. Okay, now we can change the color here, and now of changing this color, let's go to advanced features that we can use. We can use this material shiny and on. So let's go. We will have these all changes, and you can do it exactly as I did. And for any query, you can ask it directly in the comment section. So let's go. Now everything is ready. Okay, and we will add luminous state. So as you can see, it is looking shiny now. All work is done here. Thank you for watching. Let's go. See you soon. Bye.